Today, we dive into the legendary world of Air Jordan 4s, a sneaker that has revolutionized footwear fashion since its debut in 1989. Designed by the genius Tinker Hatfield, this shoe became Michael Jordan's fourth signature sneaker with Nike and quickly rose to fame. Let's explore some of the most iconic Air Jordan 4 models you can find on ckshoes.com, your go-to site for high-quality Jordan replicas at unbeatable prices. Stay tuned as we showcase some exclusive clips of the Air Jordan 4 Retro PSG Paris, Jordan 4 Retro SE Black Canvas, and the Nike Air Jordan 4 Retro Military Black. Each of these models demonstrates the versatility and enduring appeal of the Air Jordan 4. And for those hunting for the best deals, ckshoes.com offers amazing prices on models like the Jordan 4 Retro White Cement, Jordan 4 White Oreo, and Nike Air Jordan 4 Retro Military Black. These classics are available for just $99, proving that top-notch style doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're looking for authentic 1:1 replicas or unique colorways, ckshoes.com has you covered. From the iconic Jordan 4 OG colorways to exciting collaborations, you'll find everything you need to elevate your sneaker game. Don't forget to check out our links in the description for more information and follow us on social media for the latest updates. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Air Jordan 4s, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Death on Business for more exclusive content. Leave a comment below with your favorite Air Jordan 4 model and why you love it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Death on Business. Remember, your perfect pair of Jordans is just a click away at ckshoes.com.